The Zelnoox Magsafe Digiscoping adapter is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their mobile photography and videography, especially when paired with a telescope or spotting scope. This adapter is designed to work seamlessly with the magnetic cases of iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 Pro Max, providing a secure and convenient attachment. One of the standout features is its compatibility with 2.5-inch eyepieces, ensuring a wide range of telescopes and spotting scopes can be used. The magnetic attachment ensures a stable connection, allowing you to capture clear and steady images or videos. The adapter itself is well built and durable, with a sleek design that complements the iPhone's aesthetic. It's easy to use. Simply attach your phone to the adapter, align it with the eyepiece, and you're ready to capture the world through a different lens. For birdwatchers, nature enthusiasts, or even astronomers, this adapter opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine capturing high-quality images of distant birds or stars, all from the comfort of your own backyard. The potential for educational and recreational use is immense. Additionally, the Zelnoox store offers excellent customer support, ensuring any issues or queries are promptly addressed. With its versatility, ease of use, and the added bonus of excellent customer service, this adapter is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their mobile photography game.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.